Stop manually cleaning Excel data in 2026. There's a faster way. Let me show you. Look at this mess. Office supplies instead of supplies, random extra spaces everywhere. This is exactly what your data should not look like. But here's the thing. One single formula can fix all of this. In cell 04, type this. Equals proper, trim, substitute, O2, office. Here's what's happening. Substitute removes every office from your text. Trim eliminates those annoying extra spaces. Improper fixes your capitalization instantly. Every word gets a capital first letter. Now watch this. Double-click that tiny square at the bottom right corner. And just like that, the entire column cleans itself in seconds. Thousands of rows. No problem at all. But hold on. These are still formulas. If you delete column O, everything disappears. So here's what you do. Copy column V. Right-click on column O. Go to Paste Special. Click Values. Now your clean data is locked in permanently. Delete that helper column and look at this. Before, messy, inconsistent, painful. After, clean, professional, presentation ready. Here's the entire workflow. Formula in V2. Double-click to fill down. Copy and paste values. Delete the helper column. That's literally it. Save this video for your next data cleaning disaster. Your future self will thank you. Follow for more Excel tips that can be used in data cleaning that actually makes sense. See you in the next one.